Carter. Brady. Jody. Blake. This is your open stadium truck, so modified stadium truck right now on the track. Race number 10. This is heat 1 of 3. So 18 stadium trucks or so, maybe a little more. We'll try and see if anybody doesn't show. We'll get this down to 2 heats instead of 3. We'll try and pick up a little bit of time throughout the day. Slightly ahead of schedule currently. Oh, work together, guys. Work together, guys. So if a faster guy comes up on you, or gal, faster guy or gal comes up on you, hold a wide racing line. A wide racing line into a corner should let the faster driver dive underneath you and then fall back in line into the racing line. And don't take them out of the next corner, because that's always the trick to this thing is you go wide, then you get a good run at the next corner and happen to blast them in that one. So a wide racing line and then a little bit of patience works together, helps everybody's time out. So Brady and Blake in a bit of a battle now for this top spot. 16.507 for Brady. 2.1 back is Blake on a 16.515. And it's a 15 lap run for Carter. 14s for Lou and Jody. And it looks like Brandon pulling his car off track there. So Brady, Blake, Carter, Lou, Jody, Brandon, right now your running order.
You go straight, watching the
So 220 down, 240 to go. Brady hanging on to a lead. He's got fast lap as well. Lap number 4, 17.518. Only driver to go better than 19 seconds. So Brady right now out. Blistering fast, full lap better than the field. With 245 down, 215 to go. As Brady working down the back straightaway now into that sweeper section. Working back up over that roller. And into the loop he goes right now. Working right behind Blake. So Blake will give him a little bit of room, maybe.
2 minutes left.
And there it is, perfect. And up over the table they go. And down the straightaway goes Brady. Oh, and then Brady rolls it over. And so he will go 22 on that lap right there. That got the fast lap down to 17 flat on lap number 8, and then goes 22. That's a 5-second difference between fast lap and that lap right there. So if he could get rid of those 22-second laps, which he has 2 of, Brady right now would be looking on a low 17 run.
One minute left.
Final minute, Brady still leading around Blake and Carter in a battle for the 2 and the 3 spot. 0.3 of a second separate them. Blake in the 2 on a 5 flat with a 15 lap run. Carter on a 15.501. Race 10 on the track. Race 11 up next. Race 10 on the track. 11 up next. Master clock has expired. Keep racing until you're done. Till I call you done. Everybody's still going. Everybody's still going.
I'll get one of it. We get mine.
Everybody's still racing.
You get that hard.
Blake, you are done. Blake, you're done? Brady and Carter are done. Just waiting on Jody. And that is a race.